Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty products you love with honesty, expertise, and a little bit of flair. Today, I'm exploring the Kiko Milano Bright Duo Eyeshadow in the shade 06 Champagne/Rosy Taupe. It's a compact powder duo with a frosted finish, designed to create soft, luminous eye looks with a blendable formula. When I first opened the compact, I noticed how sleek and travel-friendly the packaging is. Sturdy, lightweight, and perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. The two shades are carefully paired, a sparkling champagne for highlighting and a muted rosy taupe to add depth. Both powders have a soft, finely milled texture that feels smooth under the brush. In terms of application, the blendability is impressive. Swiping the champagne across the lid delivers a gentle shimmer without excessive fallout, and layering the rosy taupe in the crease allows for a subtle gradient that can easily be intensified. I tested this duo during my morning routine and later in the evening under artificial lighting. The pigmentation holds up well, and it layers smoothly without patchiness, which is exactly what I expect from a quality powder formula. One thing I appreciated is the versatility. These shades are neutral enough for everyday wear, but can also be built up for a more glamorous evening look. However, I did notice that extremely long wear on oily lids may require a primer to prevent slight fading by the end of the day. Pros definitely include the high blendability, smooth texture, and the compact design. It's travel-friendly and easy to use even for those who aren't makeup professionals. On the flip side, it's a smaller duo, so heavy daily users may go through it faster than larger palettes. Considering the price point, Kiko Milano delivers a solid quality product that competes well with other mid-range eyeshadows. If you're looking for an affordable yet reliable duo that performs like higher-end powders, this is a smart pick. In comparison to similar duos, it stands out for its finely milled texture and true-to-pan shimmer without being overly glittery. The packaging is sturdy and durable, with a secure lid that prevents accidental spills, which is always a plus. Longevity-wise, I'd estimate several months of regular use without losing quality. While I haven't interacted with Kiko customer support for this product, the brand generally maintains a good reputation for responsive service. For those seeking alternatives, some may prefer slightly larger palettes with more shade options, but for a simple, elegant duo, this is a standout. Overall, the Kiko Milano Bright Duo Eyeshadow excels in blendability, pigmentation, and portability. It's ideal for anyone who wants a versatile, neutral duo that works from day to night. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching. You can find the link to purchase this duo in the description or comments below. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how you use it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.